that's a tank. That's a tank. Get it out! Get it out of the net, boy! What is up, Hodges Outdoors? Back at it with another fishing video. Today we are revisiting Hoover Reservoir. Last time we came here it was chocolate milk. This time it's cleared up and we're about to kill the crappies. Stay tuned, I'll show you how it's done. Hodges out. Mine's gone. Yep. First crappie at Hoover. It's a little one. Oh, danker.
Right, started it off with a 4-incher.
Yeah. Shrimp dick. Ooh, here's a big one. Woo! Good one. Another big girl. Inhaled.
Alright.
Inhaled that sucker. There's a good one. Just kidding, shrimp dick. We're gonna have to search for him, Warren. Oh gosh. They're tied up into them bushes.
What do you got there?
Nice little, is it black? Probably black crappie. Huh?
You got a lot of color to him.
Yeah, he ain't bad. He's still going back in. Play next time, buddy.
Keep.
That's fat female. Good thing though, still spawning, right?
They are. I think they moved into the bushes.
That's the type we want right there.
Yep.
10, 11,
Real
12.
shallow in the bushes.
I think they're hiding close, tight to structure right now. Nice white. Oh, that's a good one. Finally, a big girl.
It's random.
There's no rhyme or reason to it right now, for sure.
That one was off the bushes.
Is that minnow very lively?
No.
It did.
Well, that's what we were after.
There's a gar right there. Good girl. It's a male. It's the first male.
You tied it in the bush.
Right out in the middle of that. Nice crappie. Nice Hoover crappie. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Another 9.
Recorder.
That measuring board is under your gas tank, the blue one. Ooh, ooh. Got him. Hammered it. Yeah. Stay. Ooh, 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 ooh. I was like, you taking it? You taking it? You just gonna run with it?
My other one's getting hit now.
What is up, Hodges Outdoors? Doing a midday update. We got about 20 to 30 crappie. So I just want to go over the rig that I'm doing. So I got a bobber stop about 2 foot up. And then I go to a bead to keep the bobber from getting pinched up in the bobber stop. Ooh, Warren's got one coming in now, but anyways, and then I got a little bobber here. It's a slip bobber. It goes up and down. You set your depth with the bob stop, and then you put some split shots on that main line. Right now I'm running 2. We're running some bigger bass minnows because these crappies are coming up and spawning, and they're more aggressive. So I'm using a short shank hook as well. You see that? That helps your look. Use a short shank hook. Some guys like to use that gold long shank eagle claw. Oop, I just had a bite. It let go. Oh, okay, hold on. Love mid-game updates. So that's what we're doing. See, there's your bass mini. Pretty big sized bass mini for crappie. If you're fishing Fort Laramie or something like that, that won't get it done. It's too big of a profile. People like them crappie jigs. But anyways, it's a small crappie. Still hitting a big bass mini, and we're grinding them out today. They're not completely aggressive. We found a cove that they're just now hitting on, and we're catching some crappie. So give you an update at the end of the show. So see you soon. Hodges out. Ooh, got one walking with it. Got one walking with it. Take it, take it. There a girl, there a girl. Ooh, that's a goodie.
Keeper.
Kind of close.
And second away at him. We're bobber fishing for him.
Going to be right in the center of that cove, right off that end of that wood. Here we go. Can you grab that net? Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. Oh gosh.
Huh?
Come on, hurry up. I don't want to flip it. It's not that big, but it's good enough. Atta girl. Hailed it. Fat girl. Get double? Get double action? Ah. Got another one. Good girl there. That's a good girl. Thank you for playing. Did you catch yours? Did you catch yours? I did.
Yeah, I saw that nice subtle freaking. What's that?
That's what I've been doing. Reel down, get the extra slack out, and just
Oh, you're under.
That's tanked. Oh, that's a big one too. Oh man.
Oh shit.
Go, 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 go. Yes. Holy cow, look at the stomach on that girl. Oh, she can't. Look at the stomach on her. Jeezy Pete. A golf ball.
Hmm?
A golf ball in that.
Oh yeah.
Kitty.
Oh, big saugeye.
Oh, that's a huge soggy. Oh. Ooh, that might. Is that a walleye? Is that a Walter? That might be a Walter, dude.
He's got a lot of color and.
Oh, wait.
Hold on. Hook's not in him. I have the hook. What did I tell you? I used to catch freaking saugeye back here all the time.
My bobber's gone. What the hell?
That makes the day right there, buddy.
Let's see if I get two. Oh! 3-4 pounder. Big storm coming.
That's why I was like, you don't feel like a cat. There's more than one sitting there.
Oh my God, no! That was a good crop. What is up, Hodges Outdoors? Finishing up our day at Hoover Reservoir. Ended up with probably a 3 to 4 pound saugeye, minnow fishing. And probably our biggest crappie today was about, I don't know, 12 inches, 12, 13 inches. How many we got? Probably 30?
Yeah, probably 30.
20 to 30 keeper crappie, so.
Caught a lot of little ones.
A lot of little ones. We can only fish a half a day, so the wife's birthday. So happy birthday, Lauren. We'll see you later. Hodges out.